I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to close your T-Mobile account, follow these simple steps to make the process smooth and straightforward. Step 1. Gather your information. Before you start the process, make sure you have your account number, PIN, and any other relevant information handy. This will help verify your identity when you contact customer service. Step 2. Contact customer service. Call T-Mobile's customer service at 1-877-746-909. Be prepared to explain that you want to close your account. They may ask for your information to confirm your identity. Step 3. Request account closure. Once you reach your representative, clearly state that you want to close your account. They may offer you alternatives or ask for feedback, but be firm in your decision. Step 4. Confirm final bill. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Assured.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Get confirmation. After everything is processed, request a confirmation email or message stating that your account has been closed. Keep this for your record in case of future issues. Closing your T-Mobile account can be straightforward if you follow these steps. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to customer service for assistance. Good luck.